Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on today's episode of product reviews, we will be looking at Domainracer. So what is Domainracer? Domainracer is basically a web hosting platform that is used to host your website, blog, landing pages. And we'll go on to look at the pros and cons of Domainracer, why Domainracer is a very good web hosting platform, why I recommend Domainracer as one of the best web hosting platform out there, and so on. And most people will be saying, why I did this review? Okay, guys, if you notice, I do reviews based on products that I have used in the past or currently using. And when it comes to the web hosting niche, I have used a lot of web hosting platforms to run my affiliate programs, my blogs, and the rest of them. And when I recommend a product, I recommend a product based on performance. And Domainracer, it's one of the best web hosting platform that I have used. And I must be very honest with you guys. Domainracer is one of the best web hosting platform that I have used. I have recommended this web hosting platform because of its speed and its vast possibilities when it comes to the web hosting platform. Now, there are so many web hosting out there like Bluehost, HostGhetto, and the rest of them that are big names in the market. Like they are big names in the market. And most of the times we try to look at these big names and we forget that there are also some good, cheaper platforms that are very good. Okay, I believe the likes of Bluehost and the rest of them, they have made their names, and no one really talks about the little ones like this. Although Domainracer is not a minor when it comes to the web hosting niche, okay? But we get so drawn to the big names out there when it comes to Namecheap and the rest, and we forget good platforms like this. So today we'll be talking about Domainracer, why I feel that Domainracer is one of the best, if not the best. And there's another web hosting platform that I would recommend, guys, and that should be Green Gigs. I use basically these two web hosting platform because of its speed, especially its speed when it comes to loading pages. They have maximum speed in loading pages, and also the 24/7 customer service agents that it's very difficult to find out there. So let's go on to see what Domainracers are. Okay, we'll be starting from here. It says Domainracer is it's India's #1 and the best domain name and web hosting provider. This website has been developed to offer the best of domain name and web hosting. So the first thing we need to understand is Domainracer is an Indian web hosting platform. And I like the Indians because basically the Indians are everywhere. The Indians, they're in Google, they're in Microsoft, they're in Facebook. There's no top company in the world you won't find an Indian. Okay, they are one of the best when it comes. I love Indians and Pakistans. Indians and Pakistans, they are one of the most creative people in the world. And most of the times we really ignore them because maybe they are from a third world country. But I can say that Indians are very good. Indians are very good at whatever they do. As we can see here, Domainracer is from India, and there are a lot of benefits when it comes to using this platform. As you can see here, it says here are the key benefits of Domainracer. It says number one, it has a pure SSD hosting platform for better IO operations. And gone are the days when we use HDD. Now it's SSD. Okay. It says number two, it says light speed technology for unbeatable performance. I agree with that because it has very high speed. I have used it before, and when you use Domainracers to host your, I've run a couple of blogs. Yes, I have about 3 blogs currently running, and research have shown that 32% of every customer that visits your website leave because of slow page loading. Okay, very slow page loading. So if you want to be good at what you do, I think you should go for the best. And here it says supports HTTP 2 plus free SSL certificate for lifetime. Most of us, we actually ignore this a lot because we feel like, okay, we don't really need HTTP2. Now, what does HTTP2 do? HTTP2 is more faster than HTTP1, which is just HTTP. Now, this also offers security, okay, which we have HTTPS. It tells your customers that your site is really really secured. And here it says automation now easy with free WHMSC tools. So it has a lot of benefits as we can see here, and there is no lie about it. Domainracer web hosting has three best features: affordable, reliable, and secure. These are the main factors of a good hosting company. There are a lot of features offered by Domainracer. Here we have unlimited domain name, unlimited subdomains, FTP, that is file transfer protocol account, and email account. And I know that when using Domainracer, I think they have more than 10 email accounts that you can use for a start. Here it says 19 offers 99.9% uptime secure. Sure, I'm very sure about this. Unlimited bandwidth and disk space that are provided. Sure. When you use I think the cheapest price it's about less than $1, and it has about 500 megabytes. And the second goes for about an unlimited space to put in anything you want to put in, unlike other platforms. Here it says latest cPanel, which is the easiest hosting management tool, which is a very good feature if you're looking for a good web hosting platform. It's for all kind of platforms. Definitely a multi-programming language. Yes, guys, this was one of the most important things. I have used a lot of web hosting platforms, and most web hosting platforms do not give room for things like this. If you're building a website, you could have issues where you need maybe a developer if you run an e-commerce site, or maybe a high performing website that needs an extra coding, and you discover that most times you just can't incorporate most of your code into your website because other web hosting platform does not give you the room to incorporate um, these programs like Hack, C++, and the rest, and other difficult programming language that you want to use to write code into your site. So one of the best things when considering a web hosting platform is using multiple programming language as an external, or you could also put them as external files into your cPanel. And here it says 30 days money back guarantee. And here it also says Google AdWords credit and many features. I can attest to this because I have been using it. Okay, so now let's go into the site and see for ourselves what it says. It says here on the tab domain, web hosting, reseller hosting, LMS hosting, PSP hosting. So guys, basically I'll be looking at two important abilities of Domainracers, and that will be LMS and VPS. Okay, and now what is LMS? LMS is basically learning management system hosting, and VPS stands for Visual Private Service hosting. Now, most of you will be asking, okay, what is actually LMS hosting? If you are into course production, like if you are good in creating courses and hosting your courses online, LMS is one of the best hosting that you can use to publish your course online. If you have learning materials you want to put online, LMS is one of the best one of the things to look out for when you're putting your course online. So I want you guys to actually see Domainracer as one of the best out there. You can't really find these features in one of the in the top 10 biggest, according to them, to the top 10 biggest web hosting platforms out there, bro. You can see that you have such wonderful features here, and I am so proud of Domainracers because they really pride themselves versed in the web hosting niche. So if you are planning to put out your course out there, or maybe you're trying to put out your learning tools out there, your learning materials out there, if you have any kind of thing you want to put out there, and it's very fast because it has a special kind of server that pops up these learning materials so faster than
just a normal web hosting server. And let's go on to VSP hosting, VPS hosting rather. Now VPS is one of the best hosting platform for people who have large businesses. Okay, if you have a large business and you really want to move your hosting to another level, guys, VPS hosting is one of the best. To make things easier, let's see what VPS actually is. Now I searched for it and it says a VPS, or a virtual private server, is a form of a multi-tenant cloud hosting in which visualized server resources are made available for an end user over the internet via a cloud or hosting provider. Yeah, it also says each VLP is installed on a physical machine operated by the cloud or hosting provider that runs multiple VPSs. Here it also says for many businesses, a VPS or a virtual private server is the perfect option for web hosting because a VPS can be faster. I told you guys, because it has its own cloud system. A VPS can be faster and more stable than other types of hosting. A VPS can improve the experience of a customer visiting your online. Customer visiting you online. A VPS is often the best balance of cost and performance. So you can see here that, guys, that it has a very good future that most top names in the web hosting niche do not possess. Now let's go back. Let's go back here and see that it has a free trial, definitely for 30 days, and its money back guarantee, and it has other alternatives. Now guys, I can't vouch for all of these alternatives here, to be honest. I only use products that I have used. I only review products that I have used, and I can tell you for a fact that I have used Domainracer. In fact, I am currently using Domainracer, and it's one of the best out there. So basically, it has three main hosting deals, and the first one is shared hosting, resellers hosting, and VPS, as we mentioned earlier, hosting. Now let's click here to create a website for ourselves. We won't be basically creating a website. Let's just go to the interface of creating a website. As you can see here, this is the pricing range, guys. If I'm not mistaken, you all can attest that this is one of the cheapest web hosting platform you can get out there. Okay, now on Bluehost, it's about $3.99 if I'm not mistaken, or $2.99 for the cheapest. And you can see here that you can get 1 month hosting for basically less than $1. Guys, this is incredible. I've not seen this anywhere before, and I must tell you that this is one of the best web hosting platform you can actually see out there. And the second, which is a personal price range, goes for $1.49. Guys, this is so cheap. So I bet you, if you're looking for a web hosting platform today to host your website, your landing pages, or your blog, guys, I think you should go for Domainracer. So let's click on here to see where it takes us. So here it says let's put in our domain name, and let's use something like Domainracer tests. .com. Let's check and let's see if it's available. Oh wow, it's available, and it says here .com. It's for $10. Okay, let's see something else. .net, and let's check again. I think my internet is a bit slow. I think I'm gonna pause this and reset my internet.
Okay guys, as we can see here, it's $10 for .net, and basically this is suggested names that you could use for your website, and there are a couple of names out here that you could try out, and beautiful names, I must tell. And this one here says Domainracer XYZ. Okay, I think that's a new domain name, and it goes for $2.50, and it's one of the cheapest you can find out here. But hey guys, don't worry, because down below this video I'll be leaving a link to coupon code that you could get about 30 to 40% free discounted. So don't worry. So even if it seems expensive for you, I'll be leaving a link down below in the description so you could get your coupon code. That's if you actually purchase from me, and I will do that for free for everybody. I mean, what would our friends for? So let's click on the button continue, and it will take us to the billing page. Okay, so basically the cheapest one, like we did before, was for how much was it again? 0.99 dollar per a month. And this is the billing stage. It says here we're gonna have one basic website, one web hosting, one this is about 1 gigabyte of storage space, 5 gigabyte of bandwidth. Guys, this is just incredible for $0.99 per month. The cards you can choose pay for 36 months, which is 3 years. 24 months is 2 years, and we have 12 months, which is a year. And when you choose your plan, we're gonna go over to continue. Click on the bell, continue, and it's gonna take us here. Yes. DNS management. Well, DNS management, if you want to have your DNS management, you can click on the button here. But for me, I'm just gonna go with now. I'm gonna click on the continue button, and it's gonna take us here. You can see, guys, this is $27. That's the final payment that we're gonna pay for this, and it's gonna take us to the checkout point where we're gonna fill in our billing details. All you have to do here is put in your billing details, your name, your last name, company, which is optional, your address, your city, your state. I come from Nigeria. Basically, all of these things here are easy to do. And when you're done putting in, you could select card or PayPal. Basically, I use PayPal and to do anything online. So when you're done, you're gonna come here and click on the button complete order, and it's gonna take you over to your payment verification page, and then down to your C panel. So basically, we are done with checking. Yes, we're actually done with here. And there's one thing I actually do for my audience. I actually go to Trustpilot each time to see what people say about Domainracer, because Trustpilot is one of the best platforms out there for people to give their honest review. And I love using Trustpilot because it gives me a head start of anything I actually want to purchase online. If I want to get a software, if I want to get a product, I go to Trustpilot to make verifications from people who have used this product before. And so, guys, maybe if you don't believe me on what I say about this web hosting platform, maybe you can see for yourself on Trustpilot. Now it says using them since 3 years, no problem, as you can see. And here it says with a PHP issue for my WordPress, PHP issue for my WordPress installation, I chatted with the tech support. I consider the Domainracer's tech support chat to be an outstanding one. Guys, as you can see, I wasn't lying, because I told you that they have one of the best tech support system out there, 24/7. And guys, this has not been so long. This is August 25th, 2022. And I can tell you guys, this one says here, I have been with them with many hosts. Okay, I have been with many hosts, but I found a difference when I switched to Domainracer. Guys, I am not lying. Domainracer is one of the best platforms out there. You go check it out yourself.
So guys, basically this is other things we need to know about Domainracer's web hosting platform. As you can see here, it says they provide 2 widely used cPanels in the industry, cPanel and cPlan. Guys, if you're really an old B, like an old B or newbie, an old B in web hosting, you understand the meaning of the planks, because this is for advanced use. I love the planks than cPanel. Okay, and here it says conclusion. Domainracer offers a cost-effective range of products with support available on multiple channels and the promise of a refund in case customers are not happy with the services that they offer. Guys, you need to actually use Domainracer. So I'll be leaving a link in the description down below, and if you purchase Domainracer from my link, I'll be giving you another link to coupons that you could use to get this for 30% off. And if you also purchase Domainracer from my link, I'll also be giving you guys the free access to the same learning videos that I use to make over $3,000 in a month on affiliate marketing, guys. As you guys know by now, I run affiliate marketing and I also run blogs. I also make money from my blogs. I also make money from my other YouTube channel. But if you purchase this product, guys, from my link, I'll be sending you down to the same learning materials, the same videos that I use to make $3,000 in a month, and you will be having that same opportunity to go through that learning materials and also head start. So if you are new in affiliate marketing, or you've been doing affiliate marketing for a while and you have not been seeing results, guys, I will be giving you access so you can actually make money as I have, and we'll just be at the top, because being at the top, basically, it's very, very lonely. So you can make quite a lot of money from affiliate marketing. And if there's any product that you want me to review, just comment down below and I'll make reviews on those products. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.